A social media post by a local candidate for Congress has offered up a lot of publicity.
And possibly a lot of trouble for what happened during that video. It was posted on 2nd District candidate Karen Mallard's Facebook page. The video shows her cutting the barrel of an AR-15 rifle. It's not just controversial, it's against the law. 10 on your side's Chris Horne now with more on the consequences of what happened in the video. Chris.
Anita, we found out that Mallard broke state and federal law when she attacked her AR-15. Will she ever face charges? An expert tells us that would be a long shot.
I told him I wanted this gun out of my house.
After Karen Mallard saw what happened in South Florida, she told her husband she no longer wanted their AR-15.
So today, we're going to destroy it.
Mallard is an elementary school teacher, and as you might expect, her assault on this rifle is drawing plenty of Facebook flack. One said, "Congrats, you're now a felon." Turns out there is a real legal issue here. Virginia Beach attorney Robert Horne III is an expert in firearms law.
At a minimum, she broke at least 2 federal laws, both of which are felonies, and at least 1 felony at the state level.
Horne says the federal law dates back to the 1930s and involves what's known as short-barreled rifles, or SBRs. He says Mallard broke the law twice, for making an SBR when she cut the barrel, and then for having one in her possession. But Horne doubts she'll get prosecuted because she's running for Congress.
If you took the same video and removed the political speech and removed her candidacy from the video, and it was someone who just said, "Hey, I'm cutting down my rifle," and the ATF got wind of it, it's a solid bet that the ATF is going to be knocking on their door.
Mallard says she'll continue to support the survivors of the Parkland shootings.
Keep standing up and speaking truth to power. These gun owners heard you, and we're going to stand by you.
And Virginia Beach police have the pieces of the gun, and they say ATF is investigating. Mallard says she has no regrets about what she has done. Chris Horne, 10 on your side.